Hello and welcome to another Kikusui tutorial. When looking at the specifications of DC power supplies, I've often wondered what certain terms mean. I'm sure I'm not the only one. In this video, I'm going to go over some common terms that appear in the specs and explain their meaning in simple terms. Let's take a look. Load regulation. A load, such as a resistor, can suddenly become unloaded or loaded by an on-off switch or other device in the circuit. When a sudden change occurs, the output of the DC power supply also fluctuates and tries to return to the set voltage. This condition is called load regulation. As seen here, the waveform is distorted when the output is cut off. The graph here shows when the electricity is suddenly turned on. This graph shows when the electricity is suddenly turned off. Both are just images, but when a load fluctuates rapidly, the output will actually look like this. Line regulation. The input voltage may be unstable due to lightning strikes or other factors on the AC input side of the power supply. Additionally, in factories, the input side may become unstable when operating large equipment. The voltage may fluctuate when the DC power supply is output in this unstable voltage state. This fluctuation in voltage is called line regulation. The definition of line regulation is the value of how much the output voltage changes when the AC input voltage is varied by plus or minus 10%. Okay, so let's review load regulation and line regulation. Load regulation varies in output voltage due to the changes on the load side. Line regulation is a change in the output voltage due to a change in the input voltage. Hopefully, you have a better understanding of load regulation and line regulation. Now that I've explained some of the terminology in the DC power supply catalog, I'll explain how some of Kikusui's products are used in the next tutorial. If you have any questions about these terms, please let me know in the comments section and I will explain them in the next video. Goodbye for now.